Hello YouTube. Today we took a wander to Boda, which normally we've been there a few times and we've been kind of with the group, so we tend to get a taxi straight there and then get a taxi back. But this time we kind of got dropped off a bit of a way away, so about a half an hour walk away, and we just kind of wandered up there and we found a supermarket. We have found like little supermarkets and little markets that do smaller things, but we've not actually found like an honest to goodness like supermarket, which if you know us, we love going to foreign supermarkets. Love going to foreign supermarkets. So we picked up a few things and I thought I would do like a mini grocery haul. First of all, we've got the things that are out the bag. These juices, we've been getting quite a lot of these actually. They're not Nepali, they're Thai. There's about 6 or 8 different varieties. I've got mango juice here and the coconut. There's peach, mixed fruit, orange, blackcurrant. There's all sorts of ones, but these have been really, really good. So they are 65 rupees each, so about 50p. Bargain. You'll also see these everywhere as well, these kind of little packets of kind of snacky bits. They come on like a strip of them, so yeah, snacky bits. Most of them are vegan as well, which is fantastic. And they do all have the ingredients on the back in English, which makes things a lot easier. What else have we got? Dig in the bag of goodies. Picked up this Tolka Masala tea. Now, I'm not quite sure what this is all about because we found a tub of this round the corner from where we saw this, and it seemed to be more like a kind of instant tea rather than like tea leaves, but I don't even know how much this was. It'd be under like £1, so masala, Tolka Masala tea, rich. Yeah, and it's got the kakuris on the front. It is proper Nepalese. We've got biscuits to go with it, so we've got, there are loads of biscuits, loads and loads and loads of biscuits. These are just the ones we found in the supermarket. There's also coconut ones, there's glucose biscuits, which are just kind of like sweet, almost like rich tea type biscuits. There's arrowroot ones. There's a lot of different varieties, but we have got hide and seek chocolate chip cookies, world's best moulded. Ooh. These are Indian, I think. Yeah, these are Indian. We've got Tiger Crunch, which to be fair looks kind of pretty much exactly the same, but I'm cool with that. We can just try both. Chocolate chip cookies. Also, you get these like tiny little packets here, which is kind of cool because it means that we can try like 3 different types of cookie instead of just one. We've got black bourbon cream sandwiches by Hide and Seek as well. As soon as I see cream, I'm like, we can't have it. But these, we double, triple, quadruple checked. I'm going to check them again. We can have them. They are vegan. Awesome. What else have we got? On the sweet side, we have Chyawanprash, I'm going to say. I'm probably murdering that. We were wondering, like, what the hell is this? It's like, enhances immunity, it's clinically tested, it helps fight illness. And we were like, what is it? It turns out it's an Ayurvedic, like, dietary enhancer. So it's got lots of different, like, fruits and things in it. It's good for you. So we thought we would give it a try. They do, like, huge tubs of it. But we are just doing this. Ayurvedic medicine is very, very popular here. It's an Indian type of medicine. So yeah, we'll give it a try. We'll see what happens. We may even do it on camera if you're interested. So if you're interested to see what this tastes like, let us know in the comments below and we will do a taste test for you. What else have we got? Now we're on to kind of spices. This makes me very happy. We have got these little ones again, these little kind of tubs, because normally we get the bigger ones. We get bigger ones in the UK, but we've got little ones here. These were 74 rupees, so 50p, 40p. Tea masala. While I make my own like chai from fresh spices and things, I thought I'd give this a go. So tea masala. I have got pav bhaji masala. So pav bhaji is, actually there's a recipe for this on Patreon. So head on over and you'll get an actual recipe for this. But pav bhaji is like a mashed curry that you have with like soft fluffy, I want to say morning rolls, but that's a Scottish thing. Bread rolls. Soft fluffy bread rolls. Very buttery. Obviously like we do a vegan version, but yeah, head on over to Patreon and there's actually a recipe for this. But I thought I would try the spice mix. And this one, I've never seen this before. It was 44 rupees, so 30p. Momo masala. Oh yeah. They had all kinds of masalas there. So obviously we've got like tea masala, momo masala, pav bhaji masala. They had fish masala, meat masala, specific like chicken masala, all of these different like masalas. They're like a specific spice mix depending on what you're making. So while these are all masalas, they have different mixes and different quantities of things in them. Last of all, we have got, last but not least, Mum's mango jam. Yeah, I just saw it and kind of immediately like threw it at the like this, that. Yeah, just a little one because we do have to take it home. We are going to put something in the hold just because we do have some liquids that we need to take back and some things that we can't put in hand luggage. So we'll do an unpacking when we get back as well so you can see what we've got. But yeah, that was from this little shopping trip. There are other things that we want to pick up. That's mainly from around the corner, the little shop. So they do little pouches of pickles. So while we can get lime pickle, mango pickle, all of these things back in Edinburgh, I'd quite like to try the Nepali variety because we get the Indian ones. They could be exactly the same, but I'd quite like to try them. Other than that, food-wise, I think that's mostly what we're going to get, though I've just remembered. There are also other snacks that we have picked up from here. These we've been loving. We've got, they're very simple, similar to what we have at home. We have got a peanut crunch bar, but instead of it being like peanuts and sugar, it's peanuts and jaggery. So jaggery is like a less processed type of sugar, so they're not quite as sweet. They're a bit more caramelly, which is really nice. So we've got the peanut version. We've also got a coconut version, which I've never seen in the UK. It's coconut and it's got cardamom in it, so that's pretty delicious. And there's also the sesame one, which we've not tried yet. I don't know if it has any spices in it. Let's have a look. I can't see if it does. Oh, it does. It has coconut. So it's sesame and coconut. Oh yeah. But yeah. Other than getting some pickle, I think that's pretty much it. Leo's got some coffee. I'm gonna get the pickle. Yeah. I think that's a damn good haul given that, you know, we're trying to stay hand luggage only. But most of this will probably get eaten before we go. Except the spices. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, we would really appreciate it if you did. If you have already, then you're amazing and we really appreciate you. Honestly, thank you so, so much. Check us out on Patreon because you will get extra videos and recipes and things, much like the pav bhaji. And yeah, thank you for watching and we will see you again soon.